Hey guys, David Crack here. I want to tell you something. I'm not really dead. I'm alive. Help me. Mr. Pineapple tried to kill me, but I'm still alive, and I'm in my closet. Let me show you something freaky real quick. I can't make too much noise. He's outside. But let me show you something creepy. I don't know why there's a Mickey Mouse here, but it's kind of creepy. Okay, guys, once this video gets 5 likes, I'll be able to come out, okay? But I'm really scared. I need 5 likes and 20 subscribers. That's all. 5 likes and 20 subscribers. Okay. This has been a little message from David Crack. Hashtag Save Dave. Bye. No, wait, let me do a little spin. I can't do a spin in here. Bye.